Hey everyone, today we are going our weekly Sunday meeting to understand our results, our future plans, and everything related to our organization. And as usual, we have an agenda. First of all, I want to say some words about why we are making this meeting and why we record this video. After that, we will talk about weekly results, and at the end, we will try to understand our future plans. Let's get started. Firstly, why we are making this meeting? Actually, there are three reasons why we are doing this. First, some of you are not able to join online, and they will be joined to watch this record offline after the meeting. And this will be better to share in context of our organization. Secondary, this meeting is more about our results and achievements during the week. And this is very helpful for everyone who trying to collaborate in the organization, and to synchronize all our efforts. We should we can use this meeting as a point of synchronization. And the third one, why we are doing this, because this some kind of result, some kind of summarizing of what we are doing in terms of achieving our main goal of our mission to decrease mortality rate and help people with a heart disease. And yeah, it's the reason why we are doing this meeting. And next point in our meeting will be our weekly results. And actually, our weekly results will consist of the two parts. One part will share what we achieved in terms of marketing, and another what we achieved in terms of development. And as for marketing, you can check our documents and you can check some source in internet. And we started, we're using in our marketing work, Bully Eye framework. In short, this is a framework which consists of the 5 steps. You should gather a list of channels. You should choose and pick up some of them which related to your product. And after that, when you will pick up this, work with these channels, try to test them, test the audience, test the feedback. And if some of them will be successful, continue invest in this effort and continue to work with this channel. And actually, this is a Bully Eye framework. What we did, actually, we gather all possible channels of distribution our first product. Just for reminding, this is product phone call consultation, which will automatic phone call consultation, which will remind people about gathering blood pressure and remind them about what necessary to do to decrease their heart attack risk score. And you see here we try to check LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, and all of them. And here there are 2 columns. First column, this is how particular channel work for the specific audience. In our case, this is a 55 plus. Just to remember, for reminder that why we are talking about 55 plus, because majority of the heart attack cases are in this audience group 55 plus. Most of the people die when they are elder than the 55. And we're trying to check how the channel will work with them. Here there are 3 graduations: promising, possible, and long shots. And in other words, promising, it's what will be most valuable, most interesting, and most possible case. Possible, this is a so-so. Probably they will use this channel, probably not. Long shots, it means that they probably use, but in the future, not now. And this is a not most favorite one. And we graduated different channels for our first seniors group. And after that, we check same thing for the people who 25 plus. And we are thinking about kids, adult kids who will be happy to help their parents. And we will try to check them too. You see here, for example, there are a lot of channels which are available for the people who are 25 plus. And after that, we pick 3 channels which will be work for both of these groups. And here, these are 3 channels. Actually, this is a offline marketing, and go to the food store or go to the pharmacy. And in our head that we can go to the food store and pharmacy, put the table and advertise our product on, offline, not online, offline. This will be a real conversation with real people and talk about their problems, try to promote our product. And another channel, this will be YouTube. We are assuming that people will watch YouTube channel. Not too much 55 plus, but maybe some of them will watch through the TV application, through the other channels. And for sure, 25 plus people from audience to 25 plus, they watch YouTube a lot. And this is our 3 channels. And what we did next, first of all, we reach out senior centers and we reach out some assisted living centers. Actually, this is a centers which are helping people with a not heart disease, but in general, these centers help for the seniors. And we started conversations with them about our collaboration, how it is possible to maybe put our flyers, cards, or other marketing information in their facility. It's the first thing. After that, we checked with pharmacy, one of the most popular pharmacy in the United States, and they asked us to provide all information what we are doing, and after that send this information to the corporate management, and if we will have approved, they will advertise us in pharmacy. Same thing for the food stores. Actually, we checked 2 food stores. Both of them have a huge popularity in the United States. One of them said that they don't work at all with non-profit organizations. They only work with Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts. But another, and actually this is a healthy food, probably you will see them a little bit later, Sprout. They said same thing as a pharmacy, and they asked us to send all information, all details about our communication, our marketing things, and other to the corporate structure. And if they will approve us, we will be able to collaborate with them as well. And one more direction of offline marketing. This is a collaboration through the lecture, through the sharing information about heart disease. And this will be not direct, but this will be indirect marketing for the seniors, like talking about problem in some facility, or maybe to like some kind of workshop. And I'm sure that we will have an agreement with senior centers, but we reach out all senior centers in Bay Area, and we'll see how this will work. Especially for the YouTube channel. Here I should clarify why we're doing this and what's the mean YouTube collaboration. We don't want to invest all our time and resources to create our own channel, YouTube channel. This will take a lot of time, and this need a lot of activity efforts to established very good and nice YouTube channel. I'm assuming about 6 or 12 months investing in establish this YouTube channel, and probably after that we will reach out our audience. It's not our goal. Our goal is to find the YouTubers with whom we will collaborate, with whom we will advertise our non-profit organization, and this is will be the deal. And in terms of YouTube collaboration, we start our videos with the authority and leader of the opinion. Some of them, Kevin Keefe. Here are our 2 videos, and actually he's a guru from of the sales, and he sold a lot of medical equipment to the hospitals, medical organization, and we had a chance to make an interview with him, and he shared all interesting things, how he solved his equipment, what's the problem, how to reach out hospitals, insurance company. Very interesting guy. Probably in the future we will collaborate with Kevin, and he will promote our product. We'll see. And the second one, this is a Balaji Tamirisa. Very interesting guy. Actually, he's a vice president, a tech guru. Most of them, he's engineer who became vice president of a big company. And he relocated from the India, and he succeeded in America. Very, very interesting guy. And he shared his thoughts on heart attack, how he became from engineer to management manager and top manager, director, vice president. Why we're doing this? Because we are believing that this interview will be helpful to understanding our mission, and that we are not only the organization of the engineers. We have this communication and this discussion with the many people, doctors, cardiologists, sales managers, top managers, who are interested in this topic of heart attack and decreasing this mortality rate. What else we did? We sent in our message to most popular medical YouTubers, and some of them asked us answer for us, and one of them suggested to post our message and actually our picture and our words about our organization on his channel. We'll see how this will work. What else? We sent invitation email for start conversation for the most popular YouTubers in the United States. Frankly speaking, they are not still answer for our conversation, but our idea to start collaborate with them and to reach out their audience, that we will have a chance to spread our words about our organization. And this will be, it seems that this will be more easy way to reach out words about us than the building our own channel and trying to make our own channel. And let's back to our results. I shared information about our channels that we started doing this, only 3 channels, which we are thinking that most promising in terms of promoting our organization. We reach out doctors and we reach out most popular YouTubers. We'll see how this will work. In the future, we are going to proceed our conversation with doctors. This will be our medical interview list on our YouTube channel, and probably we will have some collaboration with the YouTubers who will help to promote and to increase attention to our organization. And right now we smoothly changing our agenda to the results of our volunteers. And one of the interesting achievement during this week that our volunteer, just a second, Murat Alam, he prepared pull request. This pull request here, he created API call for our for getting profile information. Here you can see that our other volunteers, Dmitry Kislov, and I'm sure that Shek, they will put some notes and comments how to improve current pull request, that we will have better quality of our source code. Dima, thank you so much for your help, and Shek, and who else? And other volunteers who participated in this collaboration. Thank you so much for your help. I'm sure that this will be very, very good for us. And in the future, let me share our MVP scope. We will have, after the delivering this functionality to production, we will have a possibility to get profile information. And this will open for us. Actually, let me show our backend API. We are talking about getting profile information here. This is a task. Actually, this task, I believe that very close to finish. And after that, when we will make this, finish this API call, our guys from web application and from mobile development will be able to show profile information. You see here, they will be able to show this user profile information on mobile application and on .NET application. And yeah, this is a task. And Murat, thank you so much for your effort. I'm sure that you will finish your pull request with comments and suggestions from our volunteers. And this is what we achieved in terms of development. And our future plans. Actually, from marketing point of view, we will continue our offline marketing. I mean, collaboration with the food stores, collaboration with the pharmacy, and collaboration with the senior facilities as a senior centers or other facilities which I shared before. And second point, we will continue to reach out YouTubers who will be able to provide us any collaboration. Maybe we will create a common video. Probably we will have only poster on their channel. Probably we'll have some attention in the description of the YouTube. We are open for everything. And a second point, we will continue work on our mobile and web application, as well as a backend and Python development too. And at the end of our meeting, I want to put one of our core principle. And this principle is very simple. It's okay to make mistakes, but it's not okay not to learn from the mistakes. In other words, we are open that everyone in our organization makes a lot of mistakes, but we are not okay if these mistakes will be repeated again and again. Anyway, thank you for everyone who put effort and who makes mistakes, who do and help to our organization. Because actually this is a proof that you are trying to do something, trying to learn. People who are do not do nothing, they do not make mistakes by default. People who help, who do something, who does something, they make a lot of mistakes. And I'm sure that you all together, we will learn from these mistakes. Thank you, everyone, and wish you all the best. A very good week, and thank you for whom help us and for whom make mistakes. Thank you, guys, and bye-bye. See you later.